This El Camino needs to be moved, so we can either push it around, which I really don't want to do, or we can get it to start up and move it by how it's supposed to move. Let's see how it goes. There we go. There we go. Let's see what kind of voltage we're working with. Probably nothing. Yep, 0.8 volts. 0.08 volts. That's about as dead as they come. All right. Air filter's not too bad. Got some fresh battery bolts. Definitely needed them. Alright, it kind of sounds like it's not getting any fuel because it does start up when it breathes in those fumes that are flammable, but it runs out of those fumes real quick and then dies. The base of the carb gasket area is wet. Alright, I got it to run, but only at idle. If I touch the throttle just a little bit, it dies, so I'll have to look into that as well.